Hello students, today we are going to see about strings in PHP. First we'll see what is string. String is a sequence of letters, numbers, special characters and arithmetic values or combination of all. String is a collection of characters. The next keyword is the string interpolation. Interpolation means the process of replacing variables in a string with the content of the variable. We'll see in detail about string interpolation. The string interpolation will be done with two string literal. One is double quote, the second one is the here dog. There are two ways to interpolate variables into strings. One is the simple way, the second one is the complex way. In the simple way, we can use double quoted string or here dog. So, first we have to assign some string value to the variable. For example, $who equal to Harry. We are assigning the Harry value to the $who. Next, $were equal to here. The here value is assigned to the variable were. Next statement is to print the value echo within the double quote $who was $were is given. $who and $were both are variables. It contains string values. So, what it will do? It will replace the value who will replace Harry and where will replace here. The output will be Harry was here. And the next thing is complex way. The complex way will uses curly braces to separate the text content. So, whatever value you want to print, that should be given inside the curly braces, and curly braces will be located or surrounded with the other text values. For example, $n equal to 12, echo you are the $nth position. So, here $n holds the value 12. It is mentioned in the double quoted string with the complex way. We have mentioned that variable within the braces. So, the output will be you are the 12th position, that is the n is interpolated with the value 12. Next, we are going to see about quoting string constants. There are three ways to give the string literal. First one string single quotes, second one double quotes, third is the here document. So, in the single quoted strings, this will not be used for interpolation of variables, but if you want to define the string literal or if you want to assign a string value to the variable, we can use the single quote, but this value will not be expanded. For example, $n equal to Fred, $str equal to hello, we are using $name. Here interpolation what it should be do, here this name should be replaced with the value Fred, but it is mentioned in a single quote, so it will not expand the value. Second thing, this single quote will be used mainly for escape sequences. If you want to give the value, for example, if you want to define some special character, you can use with the escape sequences. For example, here the output will be Tim O, single quote is given really, but here for this one, the O after that you should have a single quote. This can be represented by the single quote. So, you have to mention the escape sequence. For example, $name equal to within the single quotes Tim O slash, then single quote. This will be considered as a escape sequence. Next thing is double quoted string. The double quoted string will be used for interpolation of variables. So, here str equal to what is slash, see this. So, here whatever it is given inside the double quotes, it will be printed Suppose if we are giving some value to the variable, that will be exponented or that will be exploited here. And here some of the escape sequences are mentioned here, and the escape sequences can be used with the double quoted strings also. The next thing is the string here documents. The here documents are used to represent the multiple lines of strings. In single quoted and double quoted, that can be represented within a single quote, single line of string. But here if you want to display multiple lines of string, you can use here document. The syntax for here document is, you have to mention the variable name equal to the 3 left angle brackets should be given, then you should start with the label name end of queue, then you can mention the strings, number of lines of strings, then you should end with the label, then you can print that value. See this example, whatever we have given inside the label end of queue, everything will be printed here. So here document is used to define the multi-line strings, and here the main operator for here doc is 3 less than symbol. So this should be placed in the identifier, and you should give the space after and before this operator. See this example, $str equal to 3 less than symbol, end is a label, inside that you can give multiple lines of string and you should end with the same label name. So this is the here document, and in this presentation we have seen about the strings in PHP, and there are 3 string literals: single quotes, double quotes and here doc. Single quotes and double quotes both are used to display the single line of strings. The here doc is used to display multiple lines of string values. Thank you.